Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something super exciting, how to turn any Amazon product URL into a professional looking video using AI. Imagine creating eye-catching product videos in minutes without filming anything yourself. Sounds cool, right? Well, let's dive in. So how does this work? The magic happens through AI video generators, tools that can take an Amazon product link, extract all the important details like images, descriptions, and videos, and then turn it into a polished, shareable video. Some of the most popular tools for this are FlexClip, Revit AI, Jog AI, Verbo AI, and even browser extensions like NIO URL Assistant. Each of these makes the process super easy. Here's the step-by-step process. First, you grab the Amazon product URL you want to feature, then open your chosen AI video generator and paste the URL into the tool. The AI will analyze the page, pulling product images, descriptions, and any media it finds. This is where the heavy lifting is done automatically. Next, it's time to make your video your own. You can customize almost everything: the aspect ratio, the script, AI voiceovers, background music, and even add stock footage or extra text. This means whether you're making a short promotional clip for social media or a detailed product showcase for your website, you can create exactly what you need. Once your customization is ready, hit the generate button. The AI will quickly process everything and produce a video that looks like it was made by a professional. And here's a pro tip. Most of these tools have built-in editors, so you can refine the video, adjust timing, swap music, or tweak text before downloading it. Finally, once your video looks perfect, you can download it and start sharing it anywhere: on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even your e-commerce store. This method is a game changer because it saves hours of work and gives you high-quality results with almost no effort. So there you have it, a simple, fast, and effective way to turn any Amazon product into an engaging video using AI. If you start using this strategy, you'll be creating professional videos in minutes, boosting your product marketing or social media content like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and comment below with what product you're planning to turn into a video next. See you in the next one.